First thing you notice when you get in the Gator is like there is gauges everywhere. And like there's just like weird shifter knob and like a heater in here from like an old record or something. Man. I just thought you guys would like to see what's inside of Gator. I mean, what's inside this crazy wrecker truck. And we're inside it right now. Let's let me show y'all what we got here. First thing you notice when you get in the Gator is like there is gauges everywhere. And like there's just like weird shifter knob and like a heater in here from like an old record or something. Man, and like you got like badges everywhere, like one for each individual thing that you have in this truck. Like we have a Chevrolet badge, a Cadillac badge, a crew cab badge, a custom badge, and then a regular F-250 badge. And of course you gotta have a cup holder, I mean, because why not? And I mean, one thing you really notice is the steering wheel is from a Cadillac. The whole steering sector is from a Cadillac. I mean, and you have like an RPM gauge, an oil gauge, and you have your switches for your blinkers right here. Over here you got some more gauges, of course. There's just more everywhere. It's ridiculous. And there's a Speedo right there. You also have the stock one in here, but it doesn't really work because of the setup that's in this truck. But up here at the top you have your air horn and your compressor right here at the top. And back here, it's not a whole bunch going on back here. We kind of want to add some stuff, add some seats. But back there you can see the sleeper back there, and there's just multiple speakers. A crazy ton of speakers back there. It's crazy. I mean, if y'all want to see more of that, then I'll show y'all that. But up here you got your regular lights. You got some speakers up here. I mean, this thing was ready to party. It had a lot of speakers in it. And I mean, there's not like the view of that big old scoop up there at the front. And another crazy thing, you have two switches. You literally have the one for the steering column right here that has a key shoved in it. And it keeps it unlocked. And then you have one down here for your actual start in the truck. I think, if I ain't mistaken, this is the regular horn in the truck right here. The door panels are completely custom. Got like wood handles, electric windows. The actuator's messed up on the windows right now, so we're kind of getting that fixed. And it's got like an older truck bag down there to keep stuff in. You got, of course, another speaker. What is up with these people, man? They was wanting to party. No, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, we're here at the back of the wrecker. And back here, you have a toolbox. You got an extra air tank back here. They used to have a vise back here that sit right here on this like mount right here. And we took it off. We're redoing the back currently as well. And you have two electric batteries back here that power this electric winch that controls this, that powers the boom here. And you can it has three different links, like three different slides out that slides out on it. And it's pretty useful for like picking up engines and stuff like that. That's what we usually use it for. And out here out back, a lot of people ask me about the actual the tandems on the truck. And no, they're not. They don't all work right now at this point. We're currently getting a drive shaft made for the back rear end right now. But right now we use it for extra weight. It's really good for hauling. This thing has a lot of like leaf springs. I mean, this thing can carry a bunch of weight. It's ridiculous. It is also ridiculously heavy, trust me. We know it's heavy as crap. But also you have 3 gas tanks. You have one right here, one underneath the sleeper, and the one that's in the cab of the truck. This truck is running a straight pipe exhaust system. I mean, like the good old-fashioned straight pipe exhaust from the back. And we kind of want to, we got an idea, we kind of want to put big chrome stacks that go all the way up. We want to work on that. I want to hook up with Rough Country. If anybody has any connections, I want to get a lift kit for this thing. I want to redo some things. But back here we got jet fuel only, Motorcraft. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is back here. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. We got a lot more planned for Gator. We got a lot more other projects planned. We got to get the Chevy truck running right. I mean, right now it's broke down. We've been having some crap with that thing. And we got a bunch of projects that we're working on. A bunch of old muscle cars that we really want to get going. And we want to go like get some like crazy like drift cars and stuff like that. But yeah. But like I said, if y'all like the video, please like that. That really helped this thing get out there to the algorithm and help us grow as a channel, you know, where we can do more stuff with this vehicles, more stuff with Gator, more projects, and do this stuff for you guys. We'll see you guys.